between you'll talk to this officer and myself.
So, unit-wise, signs for them, vitals are all good, everything like that checks out.
Let's have a good one, thanks.
See you fellas.
His known history is of seizure, he takes cannabis for it, prescribed by his doctor. Everything else that we're seeing looks good.
Alright.
We can't x-ray that.
Yeah.
But he's moving it, he does have some pain in
Well,
it.
I have the right to have it x-rayed.
I'm not saying you don't have the right to do all that stuff, absolutely. But I'm just explaining what's going on, what we're seeing in your movement and everything
So
else.
what you want them to do is to arrest me, jail me,
You're not
where
gonna go,
I
hold on,
can't
Anthony,
do that.
Anthony,
Anthony, did I say
Anthony,
that?
calm down. You're not gonna go to jail, you're gonna get a ticket, but you're not gonna go to jail.
Well, I shouldn't even get a ticket.
Well, you're gonna get a
Because how can you arrest me just for speaking
need to-
out against
Anthony,
my
we're
government and
Anthony,
peacefully assembly?
Anthony.
Can you answer that?
Yes, I can.
Why
Because
don't you
were
guys
inside-
have body
because
cameras?
I do have over here. So you were inside of this building and you were doing this.
Did I do anybody harm?
Nobody said you assaulted anybody.
Alright,
this
so
is- Anthony,
did I
would
keep
you-
anybody from
Okay,
doing their
would
job?
you like to go to jail
Did
or
I-
do you want a ticket and do you want to walk away?
I,
Pretty simple question, right?
Well,
Pretty fair question.
I don't think
Well, you're gonna get one. So that's what's happening today. So you want a ticket and you want to sign it and you want to walk away, or do you want to be jailed?
I don't want anything to
Well,
happen.
well,
I
something
want
is
my
going to happen.
constitutional rights.
You were
to
gonna
be-
have your constitutional rights when you go in front of a judge to explain what happened here today.
Well, so what are you saying? You're gonna
What
cite
you
me
yes, with the cite
for
notice,
what? Speaking
disorderly
out
conduct.
against my government
For
and
disorderly
for
conduct.
peacefully assembly. So you're charging me for being
Hold on.
disorderly
Yes.
towards what? My government,
no, towards people in the building.
which is my government, right?
No, there's other people here who aren't part
Well,
of the government.
who? That's not part of the government
Sure, that you
complained
disturbed,
against
that
me.
you disturbed.
Yeah.
Well,
Well,
tell me this.
Well, you disturbed the courtroom.
Who's
So
the?
I'm not gonna sit and argue, Mr. Potter. I'm not gonna sit. You
Well,
can.
can you at
hold
least
on.
tell me who the alleged victim is?
Yes, the county courthouse.
So the government is the victim of my speech.
So you are allowed.
That's
back
all
here.
I need
Hold
to
on.
know.
You are allowed back here for
So what
tomorrow.
you're saying is
Okay.
I'm being cited for speaking out against my government, and my
Yes.
government is the
Well, you're being
victim
cited
of
for-
my speech.
You're being cited for being disorderly. That's what you're being cited for. So
And so under the
That's what we're doing.
disorderly conduct thing under the ARS, does that
Yeah,
exempt speech?
I don't know. Does Jamie or one of them always have to be advised?
this is at city court. This is justice court.
Okay, I know
This
that.
is county building.
Okay.
You want to hang with him, and then I'll go right to site.
Can you guys loosen up the cuffs? Cause like I
Are you?
I'll just
Go ahead,
grab
stand
I
up.
can't even feel my
Stand up.
arm.
Go ahead and stand up. Can you stand up? Oh, you're okay.
You need that key. Take it. Hey, give me that one.
Oh, that one?
And are cuffs is supposed to be this tight, or is someone mistrained?
Let me see.
Because I can't even feel my hand.
Well, it's there. It's not tight. I mean, I'm going to loosen it up a little bit. Okay. Give me a second.
Like, can you guys train these guys to like use their cuffs correctly?
Let me see where this. Yeah. I know what I'm going to put this one off of here. Give me 1 second. Okay, now turn towards. There you go. Now I got to pick these up a little bit so I can get to the bottom.
And I want to press charges against the officer who is the security guard that assaulted me without cause. I have the right to file a complaint against the person who assaulted me.
Case number, please.
Because the government's not allowed to attack you because you call it a tyrant. And you guys are obligated to review what I'm saying.
Okay. How's this other one?
I can't feel either one of my hands. That means it's what? Cutting off nerves and cutting off circulation. What color are my hands right now?
You're white.
Oh, no. We got to put those on. Yeah.
Okay, go ahead and have a seat. Here. I'm gonna need them. I didn't trade cuffs. I just have those and stuff.
Hey, you know what? You guys like KC.
All right.
Because I have the right.
That'll be documented on the report. I'll make sure he documents it.
Well, you guys should also take a copy of their surveillance cameras as evidence.
We will request one. We may request one. I don't know.
Yeah, and like under the law, you know what they're going to tell you guys? That you can't have it because under the Constitution, they don't have to give up their security, anything that has to do with security for any reason, which means they can commit a criminal act against someone and refuse to openly and transparently provide that. So
Is there another unit that could swing by the famous Sam here?
because remember, you guys arrested me at
Okay, so we're gonna
York
walk him out.
after I was
He
assaulted
doesn't want him in here anymore.
3 times.
I'm gonna walk you out to a truck. I'm gonna cut you a citation, and you go down your way.
Is this
Okay?
his?
Is that yours?
Yeah.
Okay.
That jacket?
No.
Okay.
Okay. So then I need to take their cuffs off of him?
Oh, yeah. Is that what?
I didn't take their cuffs off. I just used to do it.
I thought he was taking the cuffs off. He was loosening them up. Oh, yeah. What's up, bro? Just going down.
You want me to put mine on there? Or?
No, he's gonna cooperate. He's just gonna walk out to the car, to the sidewalk.
All right. Go ahead and stand up again.
You can hang with him while I write it.
And guess what this means? TPD once again has arrested me for speaking out against government, proving my shirt right, and that you guys are tyrannical. And you guys refuse
I like
to
that word,
hold. Well, guess what? Under the Declaration of Independence, it says my government acts tyrannical and violent. I have every right to start a militia and to cause a revolution. And you guys are arresting me because I called the court security tyrants.
No,
That's why
that's
you're
not
arresting me.
arresting.
Yes, that's what all the video's gonna show.
Okay. Well, when you go to court, then you can.
And that's the guy that I called tyrannical.
That one?
Yes.
Yeah, I kind of believe that. Yeah. All right, Mr. Potter.
And that means, guess what happens when I win again?
Okay. Go ahead and grab your phone. Let's walk out. We're just gonna cut you a quick citation. You're gonna be out.
Well, I need your names and your
Oh, you're
badge
gonna have it.
numbers.
You're gonna have a ticket.
Just come on straight this way. We're over here. Mr. Potter, you want to just have a seat on the wall over here? Thank you.
again, for the 34th time, you guys are arresting me for no other thing than speaking out against government and peacefully assembling to hold the government accountable for grievances that I have that the government refuses to give me a solution to and refuses to reform stuff and properly train the people in government. So I'm here at City Court. Here's Officer Lucero. And what's your badge number?
3977.
And what are you citing me for?
I'm not citing you for anything.
So I'm free to leave?
No, the other officer I'm with is citing you.
And he's citing me for what?
When he gives you citation, you'll know.
So did I cause anybody harm?
But you're not in front of City Court. You're not at City Court.
Did I cause anybody harm?
No, but you're not at City Court.
Did I keep anybody from doing their job?
Oh, I don't know. I'm letting you know. You said you're at City Court. You're not at City Court.
Well, I'm at County Court, and I put the address here.
Okay.
So did I do? Am I accused of doing anybody harm?
I don't know what you're accused of.
So you
I'm
don't.
here to keep you from leaving until you sign your citation that the officer is writing you.
And what is he citing me for?
2623, I gave him that
brings it
info.
to you,
I'm
you'll
gonna
know.
keep him loose unless you need him anymore. Sounds like a good thing.
So you're detaining me for what?
Because you're being detained because you're going to be cited.
Cited for what?
I just told you that
Did
twice.
I do anybody harm?
I wasn't here. I don't know what you did.
Did you hear any accusation of?
I'm sure there is. There's accusations of you doing something wrong since you're getting cited. More than likely it's trespassing. I don't know.
So how can you trespass someone for peacefully assembling and redressing their government of grievances? Or is it,
I have no idea.
or
Sorry.
is there an exemption in the law that says that when you're doing First
Right there, look.
Amendment activity, you can't be cited? Do you have any reason to believe I wasn't doing First Amendment activity in this courthouse? I asked you a question.
I don't know.
Do you have any proof of the allegations against me?
I personally do not.
Were you given any? Did
I'm not
anybody
investigating.
give you?
I'm not investigating the crime they're telling you did today.
So who is?
Officer Valdez, I already told you that. You have all these questions, you'll direct them at him if you want. He'll let you know. He talked to everybody. I was sitting with you. You know I don't got any information. I was sitting right there with you.
And what did I tell you?
You were talking to the fire department.
And what did I specifically tell you?
I wasn't
Did
listening.
I tell you that I was assaulted by courthouse staff?
Yes, you did mention that.
Did I tell you that they arrested me for nothing other than speaking out against them?
Traffic
Did I ask? Did I tell you that?
Copy 1343.
Officer Lucero. Did I tell you that all I did was speak out against the court staff, and that's why I was had been detained?
Yes.
Tell me this. Did you notice anything abnormal about the way I was cuffed?
No.
Did they seem tighter than normal?
No.
Because as you can see, is it normal to have streaks like that on your arms if you're properly cuffed?
Go ahead and sit back up a little bit.
Can you tell me that? Is it normal to have stuff like that if you're cuffed properly? And can you tell me what's that? If I was properly cuffed, why do I have a cut on my hand?
I have no idea.
And are you investigating any of this?
I am not.
So are you law enforcement?
Yes.
So if you're law enforcement and I tell you that I was assaulted by court staff and that I was detained for merely speaking out against court staff, what law was violated? Cat got your tongue?
Yes.
And what's the cat's name? Do you normally cite people for speaking out against government? And if I have an issue, if I have a grievance with the court, where's the proper place to peacefully assemble and to speak out against the court?
I don't know.
Is it not the home of that court?
I have no idea.
Powder 26. Powder 26. You see what the
So
UMA
tell me
wants?
this,
There's
if
like 4
someone's
units on
speaking
code
out
3 now,
against
6.
government,
They
does
should not pick up
government
on anything
have the
close.
right to tell them to leave?
All right, Mr. Potter. So some
Looks
misdemeanor
like I have
ticket to
cited
you,
2
okay?
Mach 1
So,
So
hold on.
who's the
This is
victim?
hold on. This isn't admitting guilt,
Person
okay?
penalty.
This is just understanding what you're being charged with. You're being charged with one count of disorderly conduct, okay? You have court on the 26th of December.
Well, who's
Hold on.
the victim?
You have court at 8:30 in the morning at Tucson City Court, okay? On the 26th of December, okay?
So who's the victim?
So the victim is going to be the Pima County Courthouse.
So did I
Can you
cause,
sign this?
Did
you
I
sign this for
cause
me?
them harm?
UAPD.
Physical harm? No, I don't believe so.
Did I keep anybody from doing their job?
Yes.
Who? Did I use any
You
threats or
disrupted-
physical force to do it?
You disrupted
Did I
me.
use any
Mr. Potter, you're gonna
threats
have
or
your
physical
court answer
force
these
to do it?
questions, okay? Thank you for your time, sir. Here's your copy.
Who did I?
Oh, yeah. They're trying everything they can. They put signs up and everything. All right.